Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I really just wanted to sit down and film something really simple, easy, and pretty using some older products and trying out some newer products that I just recently got. So yeah, this is the look I came up with. It's really easy, really simple, and I think it's going to look good on so many different people. So if you want to see how I got this look and what products I used, please keep on watching. And as always, all product details will be listed down below for you. For foundation, I am going to go in with my L'Oreal 24-Hour Fresh Wear Infallible. I'm in the shade 45. So now I'm just going in with a little bit of orange corrector underneath my eyes. This is from LA Girl, their Pro Concealer. And this is in the shade Orange Corrector. I like using my fingers for this part. I think I put a little bit too much on. So I did add a little bit too much orange corrector. So I'm going to try to just blend that out a little bit. I'm going to use a little bit of concealer. This is the Morphe Fluidity Concealer. This is C2.25. I'm not really too crazy about the shade of this, but I really wanted to give it another shot. I have really dark circles underneath my eyes, so I love more of a medium to full coverage concealer. But I think the undertone on this is a little off. So I'm going to try it with corrector underneath. The concealer looks much better with the orange corrector underneath it, and I didn't add a lot. Now I'm just going to set my under eyes with my Dermablend loose powder. I'm just going to set my face with my Sephora Microsmooth powder. And I'm just adding a very small amount. So now I'm just bronzing my face with my MAC's Mineralize SkinFinish in medium deep. I actually found this palette kind of just underneath tons of my makeup. This is the Morphe 350 palette. When this palette came out, everybody was just raving about it. The palette's so good. It's still really good. Just so many new products keep getting released, so I know everyone's forgetting about all their older stuff. So I really just wanted to dive back in and really use this palette and mix this shade and pop this into my crease. I just really want a nice light wash. I really like bringing my shadow into my, just in this inner portion right here. So I think I'm gonna also go in with this shade, but mix it in with that shade a little bit and just bring this further down. Going back in with these two shades, the first two shades I used for my crease, I am going to work this on the lower lash line. And I'm just using a fluffy M503 brush. I'm just going to really diffuse this shadow down. I don't want much color on the bottom, but I just want a little bit of balance. So I'm not going to add that orange tone. So I think I'm going to put this palette aside and I'm going to work on my lid now. I do have these two shadows from Natasha Denona. I have the shade Bronzage and I also have Morgana. Bronzage I don't really want to show you guys because it's broken and I don't want any of it falling out. And Morange was a replacement that they sent me. This actually came in the Carly Bible Allure Beauty Box collab. So I think I'm going to start with this color and I'm going to work this all over my lid. I think I want to use my finger when it comes, I like using my fingers a lot when it comes to shimmery tones. And then we'll see what this looks like, and if I need to add a little bit of that bronze tone. I may need to add that bronzy tone. It's pretty orange, but it's really pretty also. And I'm just really keeping this on the center of my lid. And I'm smoothing out the crease color with this so everything is just blending seamlessly. So I am going to add a little bit of that bronzy shade. Again, I can't really show you guys because I don't want this falling out, but this is what it looks like. Yeah, that's really pretty. So I'm just keeping this right low on the center and just slowly feathering it up, but I'm keeping the color directly in the middle of the lid. So for my eyes, I decided to skip out on black liner. I just went in with this MAC's Teddy Eye Kohl, and I just roughly sketched it out on the top of my eyes and my waterline. I didn't do a wing, and I actually didn't even bring the liner all the way in. I just kind of started it from here all the way out and just kind of ended it. Now I think I'm gonna also use those two Natasha Denona shadows. I'm gonna start off with that more orangey shimmer tone, the Morange. And I'm just going to bring this right in the center. And I just really wanted to shine in the sunlight. So I'm just keeping that right here. Then I'm using that bronze and I'm putting it right on top, just kind of stamping it. So I'm gonna add a little bit of blush onto my cheekbones. This is from Ofra in Blush Chameleon. And I'm just going to keep this right on the apples. This color actually goes really well with this eye look. I'm just going to take a small brush and just kind of blend out that brown liner. I just want a little bit of depth, but I don't want anything harsh. I'm going to use a little bit of my Essence Sunlighter highlighter, and I'm just going to highlight my face. So I think I'm going to add a little bit of pink onto my cheekbones as well. I may add a little bit also into my inner tear ducts. So for my lips, I am going to go in with MAC's Spice Lip Liner and Kylie Jenner's Liquid Lipstick in Ginger. So this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.